Hi, Assalamu alaikum my dears. How are you? I hope all of good. Okay, in the last class we said Billu attacked the fox and saved the baby. All of you remember? Yes. Then we start next page, page number 14. I just read, all of you listen. Billu is our dear dog. I was stupid to think of throwing him out. Thank God Billu saved our child. Listen here. The farmer said, Billu is our dear dog. I was stupid to think of throwing him out. Then the farmer's wife said, yes, it's right. Because our Billu saved our baby. Thank God Billu saved our child. Then we see the next page. Dear, let's go home and give our Billu a good dinner. The farmer said his wife, Dear, let's go home and give a good dinner for Billu because he saved our baby. As the farmer and his wife went their house. The farmer patted Billu affectionately. The farmer patted affectionately. The mother was very happy to get her baby back. You understand? The mother was very happy to get her baby back. Then we see the page number 16. All of you look at page number 16. The whole family lived together happily. The whole family lived together happily. Okay, we finished our lesson. Then take the page number 17. All of you see the page number 17. You see different 4 pictures. All of you arrange the pictures in correct order. Each sequence you gave correct order, then gave the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then all of you try to write the rest of the story. You may begin like this. The farmer was happy. He built a kennel for Billu. Do you understand? We see different 4 pictures. Then write the story in correct order. Then all of you try to write the story complete. You start like this. The farmer was happy. He built a kennel for Billu. All of you try to write this story in your notes back side. All of you write the story in your notes back side. Okay. Then in our lesson, we have a small poem. All of you like the poem? Yes. Are you ready to sing the poem? Okay. Our poem heading, Little Pup. What's our poem heading? Little Pup. Little Pup. We just read. Are you ready? Yes. Little pup, what do you say? Woof, 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 let's go and play. Kitty cat, how about you? Meow, 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 and I purr you. Pretty bird, have you a song? Tweet, 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 the whole day long. Jersey cow, what do you do? Moo, 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 and give milk too. Little lamb, what do you say? Ba, 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 let's all play. All of you sing with me once again. Are you ready? Yes. Little pup, what do you say? Woof, 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 let's go and play. Well, listen here. Little pup, what's the sound of little pup? Woof. What's the sound? Woof. What did you do? Play. The little pup play. Okay. The next. Kitty cat, how about you? Meow, 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 and I purred you. What's the sound of kitty cat? Yes, meow, meow. Okay. Purr means play. What a kitty cat do? Play. Okay. Then, pretty bird, have you a song? Tweet, 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 the whole day long. What's the sound of pretty bird? Yes, tweet. What's the sound of pretty bird? Tweet. The whole day, the pretty bird sing the song, tweet, tweet. Okay. Jersey cow, what do you do? Moo, 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 and give milk too. What the Jersey cow sound? Yes, yes. Moo. What the sound? Moo. What the cow give us? Are you remember? Yes, you say milk. The cow give us milk. Little lamb, what do you say? Ba, 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 let's all play. The little lamb play whole day. What it sound? Ba. Okay. Then we have a small activity. What do the animals and birds say? Complete the table given below. One is done for you. All of you listen the activity. Okay. First column, we write the name of animal or bird. The second column, what the sound it makes. And the third column, what it can do. All of you write this work in your notes front side. Okay. All of you write very neatly this work. First of all, you draw the column and write the work very well and show me. Okay. Then we have a next activity, activity 1. Activity 1 is a small conversation. First of all, I read the question. The fox idea saved Billu. The fox idea saved Billu. Billu was very happy. Billu was very happy. He ran to the forest and met to the fox. Continue the conversation just like this. First, Billu said, "Oh my dear friend." We write the conversation in your note front side. Write the heading activity 1 and write just like this. Are you ready? Okay? All of you listen here. First of all, we read the conversation. Okay? Are you ready? Billu. "Oh my dear friend, your idea saved me." What Billu said? "Oh my dear friend, your idea saved me." What the fox said? "Really?" It's really? Then Billu said, "Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much." Fox, welcome. All of you understand? Then all of you write this conversation very neatly in your note front side. Write the heading conversation also. Okay. Then we see the activity 5. All of you look at the page number 23. You see a trolley. Yes, in that trolley, there are so many names like hand, chair, horse, etc. Listen here. There are names of some animals and birds in Billu's trolley. Pick and place them in the boxes to complete the crossword. It's a puzzle. All of you try to write. The following clues will help you. You write this work. How you write? The following clues will help you. A cross, the largest animal on land, the king of the forest, an animal that eats grass and runs fast, the sheep of the desert. All of you write this work in your note front side. Then down, quacks give us egg, kings travel on its back. Okay, then we have a project work. All of you look at page number 25. We have a project work. Find out your friends' pets, list them as given in the table below. A sample is done for you. First column, name of student. Second column, pets. Third column, what it does. Then fourth column, where it lives. First we write name of our friends, any name. First one is done for you, Suresh. What his pets? Dog. What the dog do? Guards home. What does the dog live? Kennel. Okay, all of you finish to write your friend's pet's name. First of all, you write the friend's name, then pet's name, then what it does, then where it lives. Okay. Then, now write in your notebook about your friend's pets. Draw their pictures and paste photos along with the descriptions. One is done for you. Listen here, my dears. You try to write your pet's a small description. One is done for you. Suresh has a dog. It is called Pepper. It guards his home. It is kept in a kennel. One is done for you. Suresh has a pet. It is called Pepper. What Suresh's pet's name? Pepper. What is Joe? It guards Suresh's home and it's kept in a kennel. Then all of you try to write your pet's small description or your pet's friend's pet's a small description like this. Okay. Then my dears, all of you look the page number 26, my words. Trace the words you came across in the story from the puzzle given. All of you look, there is a small puzzle. The first one or two is done for you. Patted, teeth, etc. Now arrange the words in the alphabetical order. You may add in the list new words you have come across. Refer to a dictionary and write the meaning of the words. All of you write the puzzle. Then you write that words in a alphabetical order. What the alphabetical order means? A, B, C, D. That's alphabetical order. Okay. Then the last work, I can. Page number 27. I know that Billu saved the dash. All of you fill the blanks with the correct answer. Second one, I know where the farmer worked. Third one, I know that Billu guarded the little child when it was. Fourth one, I know where Billu lives. In the fifth one, I know that finally the farmer understood his decisions to throw Billu out was. Okay, all of you fill the blanks. Now write the letters found in the circle together. You will get the name of the farmer's pet. Write it down here. Okay, all of you try to write. Hi my dears, we finished our lesson and complete our all activities. All of you do the work very well. Okay, all the best. Thank you.